All right, Zohar, we can see you. Share your screen.
Perfect. So let me open the presentation I made on Lovable. So me as an artist, I have a problem. Every time I want to make work for a new client, he wants me to show my ideas. And then I spend a lot of time, and sometimes he don't even love it. So what are my tools today? Miro, which always break my creativity. Figma, which doesn't even have AI capabilities. POF, which is too much simple. And Canva, well, no artists love Canva. So I made MagiCan. AI capabilities, infinite canvas, and team collaboration. I already have 300 users and 100 upvotes and 1 subscription 5 minutes ago.
Oh!
Yeah, so the way it works, the user put a prompt, Claude make for us a flow map with text nodes and image nodes.
Sorry, can you
then I can make the voiceover for my video with 11 labs. Then Superbase store all the media, and I have a media library which I can download. And on top of it all, I can share with clients or team members. So the way I'm going to break the market is I have one price, unlimited canvases, projects, and team members. Let's start creating our burger commercial. So I will sign in with Google account, very easy. I will create my new project. Let's make a blank and call it burger commercial. Immediately we're creating a default canvas, and now I will put my prompt into the flow map generator. I will activate the image generation, and as long as it does doing the magic here on the left part, I will also create a new text, and I will ask for a voiceover script. On that same time that the images get created, and soon you will see it, I will create also a speech. So I will choose my voice. Okay, I will generate it. And now we will need to wait a few moments and we'll see the magic happen. In the meantime, probably your client have his own custom assets, for example, a logo. So you can always drop your own media, drag and drop, like you would expect, and it will just be there.
All right, that's
of
your
course
2 minutes. Thank you very much. Let's give him a round of applause.
I don't know where to start. This looks crazy. Did you do everything in Lovable, and like, does it work?
Yeah, everything worked completely. Everything in Lovable, and a lot of help with Superbase, but yeah.
Okay.
How many prompts did you use?
Around 1,100 prompts. That's something around it, but I also made the presentation and some other stuff.
All right, awesome. You mentioned you have some users already. What's the feedback here? Can you hear me? Is the audio right?
Yeah. I will answer that. So some testers told me, hey, I want embedded links, like I want to put Dropbox videos, YouTube videos. That's way on the list. Another thing is like headers, like formatting options for the text. Another thing I especially want, because I like to talk, I don't like to type, I want to just record messages and it will create text notes. And I think just better system optimization. When I had 200 users, the platform froze and I had to fix it with Lovable. So, just check the stress test.
Super cool.
All right. Awesome. Thank you so much. Let's give him a round of applause.